They are so funny sometimes. Yeah. Africa is not a jungle all over the place. A lot of people use it to record only jungles, you know. That is all. Yo, what's up guys? What's up my people? This is Wegem. Welcome back to the new video. In case if you're new one, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, give a like this video. Yeah, today we are heading to Materuni Waterfalls. Materuni Waterfalls, one of the biggest falls in Moshi, Kilimanjaro Region. So I'm going to show you how it looks like. We'll see, we'll get a little bit knowledge about coffee, some experience, so you get to know like how they make coffee and how the falls looking like. So we get everything to know right there. So keep watching and let's see what's gonna happen right there. I'm super excited. I'm with Robert right there. Hello. Yeah, we are going there. Karibu Tanzania. This village known as Kishumundu, and another place where we from, and we are heading to that way. You see how Africans female are carrying the plastic on their heads. Those are baskets. No, plastics. What? Man. Kishumundu village. The dust is totally red. My boot is ready to go. And also Robert is ready to go. Hello. Yeah. We are doing this choice evangelism. Yeah, this is our jeep.
Yes.
You happy with our jeep?
I am happy. I am very happy.
Wow. only two types of coffee. It's all over the world.
Sorry, I'm with camera.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're having like two types of coffee, but the coffee which we're having here is organic Arabica coffee. Why we call it organic Arabica coffee? It's because in my village, because we are close to the Kilimanjaro National Park, so we are not allowed to use any kind of pesticides. We're not allowed to use any kind of chemical. So we only keep our cow, goats, pigs, rabbits, chickens inside in the house. And our main aim to keep them in is just to collecting the cow dung. And after we collecting the cow dung, they're the one which we are using like a manure to fertilize the soil from here. So each and everything, it's organic thing. We grow it by using the cow dung. It's the thing. So you can drink as much as you can. You never feel the boom boom on your heart. No too much awake. You remain in balance. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay.
I am here.
Wow. Yeah, we're in the coffee farm right now. After here, we'll go to the falls. Yeah. What's the name of the Materuni village?
Materuni village is the Materuni Waterfall.
Yeah. Man, you will watch yourself on the YouTube later. Robert, you better stay in the middle. Yeah. So, our guide, known as Freddy, he takes us around this village of Materuni. So we're gonna having experience of coffee, how we prepare it, and we can test how we to feel the taste, you know. And also after this, we'll go to the falls down there to see how Materuni Waterfalls looking like. Yeah, it's very amazing day. It's very special. Ensure you give this like, you give a like this video. Yeah, I hope you are enjoying the content. Let's enjoy it together and see what we're gonna experience today.
All the plantation around, you can see you can meet with yams. So on the ground, we just harvest it like cassava. So you harvest, you peel off the face shell. It has only only single shell. Like after you peel, you mix with green banana, and the green banana also have a single shell. So after you peel, you mix together. You can boil, mix with beef or vegetarian, whatever. You can have the delicious food from the chaga. We used to call it elephant ear potatoes because the leaf looks like elephant ear.
Yeah.
And also when it's rain, it's much rain here, but now it's summertime. You cut the leaf and you can cover it on your head like umbrella, so you'll never get wet.
Wow. Guys, you there? Yeah, let's see. Keep watching, man. A lot of things to experience. Wow. Observe easy.
Mind your head. You can have a seat. It's my pleasure to welcome you here. And here's the place where I'm gonna teaching you all about the coffee. And then after the briefing and after we do the coffee demonstration, that we can have the time to hike into the waterfall. Okay?
Yes.
So one more time, it's my pleasure to welcome you in the land of Materuni.
Asante sana.
Yeah, as I told you that the name Materuni coming from the big clan of people. Like more than 80% of people who we are living. Robusta coffee, it is origin from Costa Rica. Arabica word coming from Arab people, and it's because Arab people, they are the first person to having the black cup of coffee. While Robusta coffee, Robusta word coming from a Spanish language, Robusto, that means strong.
So both,
Yes.
and it's because this mountain we used to call it Shy Mountain. Yes.
Shy Mountain. Why?
Because when it's cloud, it can
Yeah.
hide by itself. But when it's clear, you can see the mountain.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's why you call it Shy Mountains.
Shy.
Wow.
And now is the best season to plant some maize. You see the maize?
Okay. Yeah, yeah.
Feel lazy?
Little bit too high. So nice shoe, very nice.
Yeah.
It's like in the film. People who they want to climb the mountain in Kilimanjaro,
Yeah.
they first come here for the summer.
Guys, you see, this is the place where we are today. You see up there, down there, and that is a Shy Mountain. It's crazy.
And then we keep them. So here is the closest tree we have here, and this beans, this tree, when it's been the season of harvesting, they can't all ripe at the same time. So when it's be a middle time of harvest, the coffee, all the coffee farm, they looks like this handy bracelet, like the rasta color. So some of the coffee beans, they will look yellow. See the yellow one? The yellow in color, some of others they are green, and on this side we're having the flowers.
Yes.
So we pick only the red beans, like this, the maroons one. So after we pick, you can have. I told you that normally there are 2 beans.
Yes,
Because you are lucky today, you get 3. You can see.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is the shell. So can you imagine that we're having 20 liters of this? How can we peel by using hand one by one? It's a heavy job. Took a lot of time, but we can, yes? On the beginning, we was used to do that. But German people, after they come, they meet, we know how to plant coffee, but we don't have much way of keep growing in coffee. So they come with like an agreement that they save us the bental machine to peel the fresh shell, the peeler machine to separating the shell with the beans. They come with the company called Chibo. That after we get the machine for free, we have to selling our coffee to them for 5 years. Then for the determine the price of the Chibo company. So we say thank you for the German people because till now we still have the bental machine. And my grandfather in the area, he was like a chief, I can say. So this machine, they're not divided to all the families in Materuni, or all the families in Kilimanjaro, no. There are some few people that they have the bental machine. Like in my village, we all having 4 bental machine. So my grandfather still, he always get that one. So that one is the machine that we use to peeling the fresh shell. Can you come? So the beans you can put on the front side of the machine. Yes. So this machine, they have 2 holes at the front side. Yes. These are the 2 holes that they allow that beans to flow on it. We're using something with water. I will telling you later. So we put the beans on the machine like this, and the shells, they will go back to the machine. So you roll the machine like this clockwise. You see? Okay. So now it's your time. You have to make your own cup of coffee. So you have to roll the machine.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Can you roll the machine? Proceed. Yeah. Let's go. Thank you. The less density, nothing inside, so that the bad beans, they will float on the water.
Right.
While the good one, they're heavy enough, so they are the good beans. They're sinking down to the bucket of water. We took the floating one. Which the bad beans, bad coffee, this one. So we'll throw them to the farm too. We'll mix with these good beans. So when you try to touch the beans, you can feel they are sliming slippery.
Yeah.
They have something like mucus, yeah? We're supposed to ferment this coffee. We have to leave it on the basin with water, kind of 24 hours, or 1 day to ferment it. After the fermentation, the mucus, they will be served out. And then we will wash it by cleaning water, dry them to the wire net, direct to the sunlight. Here.
Yes.
So we dry it here, and it can take us something like 6 weeks, 7 to 10 weeks to get it dried well, but it depends also on how sun strong is. Depending on how sun strong is, then it can dry it well. So after it's dried, we are going to peeling the another shells. Can you have this? And can you touch on the middle of the beans and then try to bend it?
Yeah. This one.
Yes, there is another shell. That you see is the third shell. This is the second shell. The third shells, they are not easy to be removed by using hands. They are very sticky on the coffee beans. So that will remove it while we are roasting. They will wave it out easy. So now what is next? We are going to peeling off the second shell of our coffee. And the way we are going to peel the second shell of our coffee, we're using the mortar and the big sticky paste, pounding. And normally while we do pounding, we got some local motivation song that we sing to motivating the one who is doing a job. So what you have to do is only to concentrating on the song and not what you do. You'll never get tired. Are you ready to become local barista? Are you ready to make your own cup of coffee?
I have never done.
You never done, but you love coffee? You drink coffee?
I love a lot of coffee.
Yes. So today you're gonna make your own cup of coffee. So
Yes.
are you ready to make your own cup of coffee?
Yes, I like it. We in Holland, all things come from the factory. That's
So good. So we go there.
Kubwa kuna kustopisha?
yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Twanga
kuna matata, twanga all the way home, twanga na Holande, twanga na Amsterdam, twanga na coffee shop, twanga wewe, twanga langsam, twanga schnelle, twanga coffee time, twanga na paparazzi, twanga na Picasso, twanga na Facebook, twanga TripAdvisor, twanga lonely planet. Thank you, brother. You know, this is like a cooperative job, and you played your part. 5 cups of coffee for you.
Can I try too?
Yes, you have
Yeah.
to do. Bonnie, paparazzi.
Yeah, I'm right here. Andika Tomasi hapo.
Kaka, jina lako ni mimi.
Wile.
Oye, twanga wile, twanga.
Twanga.
Twanga mbele, twanga.
Twanga.
Tinate.
Kumbaya.
Tinate.
Kumbaya.
Now you're running.
Kumbaya.
Now you're wile.
Kumbaya.
Tanzania.
Kumbaya.
PIA.
Kumbaya.
This is Africa.
Kumbaya.
Facebook.
Kumbaya.
TripAdvisor.
Kumbaya.
Lonely planet.
Kumbaya.
Kuna matata.
Kumbaya.
Karibu sana.
Kumbaya.
Tanzania.
Kumbaya.
Tinate.
Kumbaya.
Tinate.
Kumbaya.
Payale.
Kumbaya.
Abashindo.
Kumbaya.
Songonyoro.
Kumbaya.
Apelere.
Kumbaya.
Mtio.
Kumbaya.
Sajabu.
Kumbaya.
Wakacha.
Kumbaya.
Msunguke.
Kumbaya.
Apelere.
Kumbaya.
Mtio. Otafosi. Arabic.
They wanna see me fall.
Wow.
And now we never sema, so I'm on the level that you see before. Dream chesa kechi namago. Woo! So tired, man, you know. I hope you guys can feel, man. Let me do the deep breathing because I've worked a lot like. Woo! Man, it's so beautiful. Wow. Look. Let's go up. Let's go up. Whoa. There is very huge waterfall I never see before. Whoa, 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 whoa. Guys, I can't believe this, man. So guys, I hope you see me and you see what is it behind of me. It's very, very cold around this area. We feel cold. This water is coming directly from Mount Kilimanjaro. It's very cold around this area. It's like freezing a little bit, you know. So I'm very, very happy to be here. And you see, man, this is not a joke. I never see such waterfalls since when I was born. Man, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, my people, I wish maybe you could be here one day. Yeah. I wish like you could be here. You can try to Google Materuni Waterfalls. You see? Yeah.
Yeah,
this is our local guide who brought us here.
It's called it Materuni.
Yeah.
It's the last village before National Park Forest.
Yeah.
The weather of here is undefinable.
Wow.
Sometimes rain,
Yeah.
sometimes sun.
Wow.
Sometimes the weather like you see today.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Wow.
So most welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you for choose Materuni,
Yeah.
choose Tanzania.
Wow. Woo! It's crazy, man. It's crazy right here. Robert, you happy?
Yeah, I'm very happy.
Woo-hoo! Yeah, man. We're so happy, you know. Let me tell you something. In life, you have to do something. Man, you feel something like raining, something like freezing. Yeah, it's coming from up there. When the water are bouncing down here, and then there is something jumping up. It's like it is freezing, you know. That is all. I just want to let you know something. I just want to tell you something. This life, you need to make sure you make happy yourself, because no one can do it for you. Don't need to wait anyone to do happy for you. You know, just make happy yourself. If someone gonna want to make you happy, it's better. But you don't need to wait for him or her. Yeah, this is how we do. Materuni Waterfalls. Oh, man. The trip was so long today. Yeah, but this is unforgettable area. Unforgettable area. Man, can you, hey, can you help me to, hold this one time for me?
Yeah.
Hold this.
Kuna matata.
Okay, we are going to here. And you see behind of me? Woo! Yeah. There we go, man. I feel like I need one glass to fetch the water out there and to drink, man, to feel the Kilimanjaro water taste, you know. That is all. Let me say thank you very much for you guys who watching this video. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're a new visitor. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Share to others if it's okay. Support your boy by watching. Share to others. Let's travel together. That's how I do, man. I'm traveling. Let's travel together. As I told you, remember, my job is to show you other side of the world. The place where you never visited. The place where you didn't be before. But I can encourage you to visit such places. This is the waterfalls I've never been before. Let's see what's gonna happen in Zambia. See you soon, people of Zambia. Love you, and let me end this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being in touch with me. Thank you for your subscription support. I'm always appreciating what you do. Yeah. Woo!
Now we telling you, Tanzania.
Yeah. What do you want to tell my people?
Karibu Tanzania!
Wow, this is Tanzania.
Karibu Tanzania!
People, they don't know anything about Tanzania. They feel like it is very bad place. It is the jungle. No, this is life.
Tanzania.
Wow.
Tanzania!
Hakuna matata Tanzania. There is no problem in Tanzania. So yeah, thank you.
You're right. I miss the way we were before. And everybody knows you feel. And everybody sees